Hello boys and girls. In today's video lecture, we are going to continue the discussion which we started for last more than 4 lectures, which is based on the editing skills. And we have already discussed that in editing skills, we have different topics like spelling and capital letters and punctuation. So punctuation is the vast topic because in punctuation we'll find there are several sort of punctuation marks. So we are going to discuss all these punctuation marks in separate lectures. Uh, we have already discussed about the first punctuation mark, that is full stop, and then colon in the previous lectures. Today we are going to continue the discussion on punctuation marks. Now we are discussing on the next punctuation mark, that is semicolon. Before going to start with the semicolon, let's have a short note on why editing skill is important. मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण संपादकीय कौशल्य असं म्हणतो. We have said that editing the drafts of essays, papers, speeches, letters, memorandums and reports, whatever we write, we must do the edit of that writing so that the final draft of our writing, that should be flawless, that should be without any sort of error. To produce a well written document, editing skill plays an important role. We have already discussed it, and a well edited text is one that conveys what the writer wants to say in clear and concise style. जे काय बोलायचं आहे, आपल्याला जे काय लिहायचं आहे ते स्पष्ट आणि कमीत कमी शब्दात लिहिलं जावं, हा एडिटिंग स्किल अप्लाय करण्यामागचा एक उद्देश आहे. देन फीचर्स ऑफ रीडर फ्रेंडली स्टाईल. कशा प्रकारचं लेखन हे चांगलं वाचकप्रिय मानलं जाईल त्याच्याबद्दल सांगितलं गेलं आहे. कसं लिहावं, लॉजिकल ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मॅटर इन वेल कनेक्टेड अँड प्रिफरेबली शॉर्ट पॅराग्राफ्स. व्यवस्थित मांडणी त्याची असली पाहिजे आपल्या विषयाची, ज्या विषयावर आपण लेखन केलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर सिम्पल सेंटेन्सेस रेंजिंग फ्रॉम शॉर्ट टू मीडियम लेंथ अँड विथ अ व्हेरायटी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स क्लिअरली लिंक टू द अदर विथ द वर्ड्स लाईक फर्दर, हाऊ एव्हर, देअरफोर वगैरे वगैरे. अशा प्रकारचे कंजंक्शन ज्याला म्हणू शकतो किंवा कनेक्टर ज्याला म्हणू शकतो, त्यांचा वापर करून आपण साधी, सोपी आणि छोटी छोटी वाक्य लिहावी. जर लांब वाक्य करायचं असेल तर आपण अशा प्रकारचे कंजंक्शन वापरावेत. अँड फर्दर वी हॅव सेड दॅट ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ अननेसेसरी टेक्निकल एक्सप्रेशन, शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, ओव्हरयूज एक्सप्रेशन एक्सेट्रा. आपण अशा प्रकारचे एक्सप्रेशन्स टाळावेत, कारण आपलं जे लेखन आहे दॅट शुड बी अंडरस्टूड बाय एव्हरी रीडर अँड इट शुड बिकम रीडर फ्रेंडली. Then correct grammar and words important. Correct grammar is important because grammar plays very important role. Grammar is the rule of how to write correct language. So the writing should be correct, and that is why we should apply all the rules of the grammar so that our writing should become flawless. And lastly, and very important, is that correct spelling, use of capitals and punctuation. The special topic of editing skill is nothing but these three things, like spelling, capital letters, use of the capitals, and finally punctuation. In the previous 2 lectures we have already discussed about spelling and capitals, and now we have started punctuation. We have already discussed about 2 punctuation marks. Moving further, punctuation, the introduction of punctuation marks such as full stop, commas, these are very regular punctuation marks that we find for the most of the times into our writing, and they are conventions used in writing to make your meaning clear to the reader. They do the work that pauses, intonation and emphasis have in spoken language. ॲक्च्युली आपण जे काय लिहितो ते लिखित स्वरूपातलं वाक्य रायटिंग असतं, डॉक्युमेंट असतं, पण जे जेव्हा वाचल्या जातं तेव्हा ते योग्य पद्धतीने वाचल्या जावं त्यासाठी पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्सचा वापर करणं आवश्यक आहे. त्या पंक्च्युएशनच्या सहाय्याने वाचणारा माणूस व्यवस्थितपणे ते वाचू शकेल, जेणेकरून नक्की काय लेखकाला लिहायचं आहे ते त्याला कळवता येईल. टॉपिक ऑफ टुडेज लेक्चर इज सेमिकॉलन. इन दिस व्हिडिओ लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द डिस्कशन ऑन द नेक्स्ट पंक्च्युएशन मार्क, दॅट इज सेमिकॉलन. सेमिकॉलन मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण अर्धविराम असं म्हणतो. सो व्हॉट आर द युजेस अँड हाऊ सेमिकॉलन प्लेज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन अवर रायटिंग. लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द ब्रेक मार्क्ड बाय द सेमिकॉलन इज लॉंगर than that represented by a comma and is in fact closer in function to a full stop. We know very well that comma is for short break. आपण कॉमाचा वापर नेहमीच करताना आपल्याला दिसतो, पण जर थोडासा जास्त तो ब्रेक असेल दॅट टाइम वी यूज सेमिकॉलन. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाईक द फंक्शन ऑफ द फुल स्टॉप. ॲक्च्युली फुल स्टॉप वेगळा आहे आणि सेमिकॉलन वेगळा आहे, पण जवळजवळ या दोघांचा एक सारखा असं प्रकारचं कार्य आहे, यांचं फंक्शन आहे. In this way they are used. It almost functions like a full stop. Further, it is said there is the end of one thought and beginning of the new thought. See, in the flow of writing, we write one thought and then we have to write another thought, and those two thoughts are, though they are different, but they are close to each other. That time, after the end of one thought, we use semicolon and we stop and we start with the another thought. They bring together related phrases and clauses. Now, phrases and clauses is a group of words. They are almost like sentences. So, those two phrases and clauses, they the semicolon bring them together in one long sentence. So this is the use, and when we will discuss the example, you will come to know. See, for example, Vikram seems very happy today, semicolon. He is smiling and walking sprightly around the campus, full stop. See, this is a long sentence actually, but actually these are two different clauses. Vikram seems very happy today is a one clause, and he is smiling and walking sprightly around the campus is the second clause. But these two clauses, though they are different, but they are very related, and thus by the use of semicolon, we have brought these two clauses together and made a longer sentence, which is very impressive. So sentence again, let us read it. Vikram seems very happy today. He is smiling and walking sprightly around the campus. So this is the first use of semicolon. Moving on to the second use of semicolon. When two clauses are linked by adverbs such as, see, there are various adverbs like therefore, thus, hence, then, however, and besides. So these are the adverbs, and when two clauses are linked by such adverbs, the semicolon is used at the beginning of the second clause. See, remember, at the beginning of the second clause. See, let us discuss the example. The men are not fit to travel, semicolon. Hence, they may be excused from attending the meeting. So, semicolon is used at the beginning of the second clause. So, hence they may be excused from attending the meeting in the second clause. So, before that, the semicolon we have used after the first clause. See, once again, the men are not fit to travel, semicolon. Hence, they may be excused from attending the meeting. Just remember, boys and girls, that these two sentences are different. They are two different clauses, but they are related clauses, and that is why we have to bring them together. And when we bring them together, we always use semicolon. So these are the two uses of semicolon. Let us move further. The next time we use semicolon here, used before the conjunctions. Now conjunction, conjunction उभयान्वयी अव्यय ज्याला आपण असं म्हणतो, and, but, yet, at the beginning of the second clause, that is long and that has more than punctuation mark of its own, अशी जर स्थिती असेल, परत एकदा बघूया, यूज बिफोर द कंजंक्शन्स अँड, बट, येट, यामधलं कुठलं तरी कंजंक्शन आपल्याला खालच्या वाक्यामध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळणार आहे. ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेकंड क्लॉज, that is a longer one and that has more than punctuation mark of its own. See, for example, the students, comma, who were delighted to hear about the college's victory, comma, went to meet the principal, Mr. Johnson, and congratulate him. This is important now, semicolon, but they found that he was on leave. See, there are different clauses, and these clauses, when these clauses meet together here, and we have used the conjunction but, so before that we have to use semicolon. So here, after and congratulate him, we have used this semicolon. So in such situation, semicolon is used. After that, it is used in place of coordinate conjunctions to link clauses that have parallel structures. For example, walk 3 kilometers every day, semicolon, stay healthy all your life, then full stop. So these are the things, these are the separate clauses when we brought them together, and we have said that used in place of coordinate conjunctions to link clauses that have parallel structures. So we have not used any conjunction here, but here semicolon plays the role of the conjunction. So walk 3 kilometers every day, semicolon, stay healthy all your life. After that, this is the final use of semicolon. It is said into this rule that when the items in a list have punctuation of their own, they are used to separate them and avoid confusion. Now read it carefully. The village bazaar had wooden toys, comma, colorful and attractive. Again, comma, for little children. Then this is important. We have used semicolon. Ribbons, comma, in rainbow hues for young girls. Again semicolon. Sunglasses for boys, semicolon, and hot steaming food for everyone. So if we remove semicolon here, there are 1, 2 and 3 semicolons. If we remove these semicolons from here, you will feel that this sentence is a confusing, because we don't understand which thing is there for which category, like children or girls or boys and everyone. So to avoid the confusion, we use separate semicolon, and thus we separate which adjectives are used for which category. So once again let us read. The village bazaar had wooden toys, colorful and attractive for little children. So here semicolon indicates that this is a single sentence, okay, and these items, wooden toys, colorful and attractive, they are for children. See, moving next, ribbons in rainbow hues for young children. So ribbons in rainbow hues, they are for young girls. Sunglasses for boys, this is very clear, and hot steaming food for everyone. So thus we can separate them and we can avoid confusion. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वेन वी यूज सेमिकॉलन, अर्धविराम ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, असं वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी याचा वापर जर आपण केला तर आपलं जे काही लेखन असेल, जे काही डॉक्युमेंट असेल, जे काही आर्टिकल एसे व्हॉट एव्हर वी हॅव रिटन, दॅट शुड बी फ्लॉलेस, दॅट शुड बी विदाउट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मिस्टेक. So I hope that the use of semicolon is well understood by you. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video lecture based on semicolon. In the same way, we are going to discuss the separate punctuation marks in the coming video lectures. So till then, take care, and I hope you are watching all this video sincerely. And we discuss all those punctuation marks in every video lecture. Thank you so much.